Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to compare the top 3 colors on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup if you're trying to choose between any of these colors. So we got the new deep purple color, and then we got the gold and space black. And the one color that we're missing is silver, and that seems to be the least favorite among, and it was kind of hard for us to get it. So we're going to try to compare these 3 so you can choose if you're looking to choose which color is best for you. We're going to do a quick color comparison between these models. So all of these models, they start at $999. They're the 128 gig. Of course, you can get it up to 1 terabyte and pay more. So we already did unboxing for you guys for these. So if you guys want to check out those unboxing video, make sure you guys check the links in the description section that we'll put down. So first is the new space, the deep purple. So deep purple here, set it up here. Let's go ahead and take a look. Got that deep purple wallpaper. And then, of course, if you guys didn't know, the accessories that only get is that cable and then just the pamphlet here. And then we'll put this quickly to the side here. So deep purple here. Just a quick overview here. So that's the deep purple, but we'll compare with the other phone just in a second. Got that look of it. So that's the deep purple, and so we'll put that here. And then moving on to the next one, which is the gold classic. Again, I feel like this gold the color hasn't changed from the previous model. So if you're really trying to get a baseline for it, just simply look at your older phone like the iPhone 12 and the 13 Pro as well. They're gold color. So you can see the gold one here. Of course, just screen protector is the same, but taking a look, the gold, and as I mentioned, it's a lighter shade of gold, very similar, if not the same gold that we've seen on the 13 Pro and the 12 Pro as well. So that gold finish got just like that in the bezels here. Alright, let's move on to the final contestant here. So put that aside as well. And of course, can live the space black, which again is a mix between the midnight and the space gray, basically the black color of it. Apple seems to recoin the name every time for this phone, but as you can see here, taking a look, put the phone aside here on the box. So you get something like that. Again, different wallpaper again, but the wallpaper itself, of course, you know, you can change it to the top here and then the side, and then a different lighting here. Again, the camera size definitely has increased. So if you guys are wondering, the camera size looks, again, on my hand, it fits just like that. Again, so that's going to be the comparison in terms of color. So you got the gold and the space black, and then space black versus a purple color, and taking a look at it. So that's kind of what you're going to be seeing on the color here, color choices for these phones. And then taking a comparison between, zoom up close, it'll hold all 3 very closely here without damaging them. You can see here. What do you guys think about these colors? We want to hear from you guys. Let's vote in the comment section what your favorite color is, or which one did you buy it? Did you get the new deep purple, the classic gold, or the space gray, which are classic colors? Of course, silver, we're going to be doing unboxing and comparison in the later videos, so stay tuned for that. While you're at it, make sure that like and subscribe button, and see you guys next time.